So ayun guys, katatapos ko lang maligo and I am getting ready for work. So magtututbrush lang ako and maglilinis ako ng bathroom. Tapos ayun, I'll have my breakfast. Ito po. So there. Tapon tayong basura. So medyo mabagal siya. Ayan. May pa-adobo si ate. Thank you po. So, on the way na ako to work. Sobrang init ngayong araw na to. Well, actually, everyday naman mainit na. Dahil, yung summer is, ayun, nag-start na siya. And, ayun, walking distance lang ako sa aking trabaho. And, ayun, hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. But, yeah, marami akong gagawin today. So, yeah, kita tayo dun later. Bye! Hi! Good morning! Welcome to my channel! So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's it. So, peace,
Love
laugh,
and TK.
ticket.
Switch?
Yeah. Thank you. By the way, I just wanted to give you a quick outfit check. So, this is what I am wearing. Heels. And then, so yun guys, kararating ko lang ng trabaho. At before ako pumunta sa work, nag-message yung boss ko that I have to do something urgent. And so, ayun, kaya hindi ko muna kayo matutour dahil I have something important to do. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba na i-share ko sa inyo or okay lang ba, but you know, to be honest, personally hindi pa ako ready, but since you insist, I'll be just giving you a little bit of a background sa aking trabaho. Okay, so yung company ko is a trading company, so we export and import goods from Ethiopia, China, India, from Dubai and other places din. So yun yung information about my company. And also Aside from that, yung boss ko is nagpo-put up ng another company. When I came here, when I applied a job, I applied as a secretary or receptionist. But I end up doing things na hindi siya part ng trabaho ko. So, I'm not really sure kung ano ba talaga yung position ko dito. Kasi when my boss found out that I can do some things for them, na it's quite far from what I usually do. So, ayun, I set up digital e-commerce for them, and yeah, so hindi ko sure kung pwede kong i-share sa inyo yung product as much as I would love to, kasi it's, parang way ko din siya to promote the product, but I feel like it's not really established yet. And ano mo yun, sobrang hirap kasi we are the pioneers, and yung boss ko is my other business then, so they cannot really focus. Anyway, I'll give you a quick office tour sa aming office. So yeah. Minsan dito ako umuupo kapag wala yung isang boss namin, pero usually dun ako nakaupo so I can attend guests kung ano yung mga kailangan nila or what they need with my boss. So yeah. You're gonna film me? Okay, so my work is finished and it's time for me to go. Yeah. So that's it. That's how you vlog.